To create a virtual meeting, you click on Add Session, enter your title, enter your description here, enter your start date, start time, and date and end time. If you have a venue like virtual room 1 or something, you can select that, and then it would automatically fetch the attendee capacity that you have set for this room. And once 1000 people have joined the meeting, uh, it would not allow any further attendees to join this meeting, and they would be added to the waiting list. So if anyone checks out, the next person would be checked in automatically. And then you scroll down and to the virtual event settings, and there you have the option to choose the built-in live meeting, where it would use the Dryfta live meeting platform, and or you can use the custom virtual meeting URL option, where you can provide the link to your own Zoom meeting URL or WebEx or whatever meeting platform that you're using. If you're using the built-in live meeting platform, you also have the option to use this live meeting for your pre-recorded video. So there are some sessions where they want people to watch a pre-recorded video first, and then once the video is ended, they would like the attendees to join the live Q&A. So this option, once enabled, would let the people watch the pre-recorded video first, and then they would go to the Q&A tab and click on join button to join the live Q&A, where the speakers and the attendees can all join the live Q&A session, where they can ask questions and speakers can answer them. Apart from the virtual meeting option, if this is going to only be a pre-recorded video and not a live meeting, then you can disable this option to none, and then enable pre-recorded video and provide the link to your pre-recorded video URL. If you do not have the link and you still have the video, you can upload the video right here using this browse button. Or if you have a live stream link where your actual meeting with the speakers and moderators is being live streamed to the attendees, then you can provide the live stream video URL here, and people would then be able to click on the watch button to watch the meeting live. Although they would not be able to ask any question, because uh, uh, this does not the live stream does not allow live meetings. Live stream can only be watched by attendees, but they cannot ask questions live. They have to type in the question using the Q&A option, and the moderator would then take the question and pass it to the speaker, who would then answer the question through the live stream. So these are the four options you have: built-in live meeting, custom live virtual meeting URL. If this is a non-interactive meeting where all the attendees can watch but they cannot ask, then you can use either the pre-recorded video or the live stream option. And then if you scroll down further, you would see option to enable chat and text-based Q&A. So the chat is basically the real-time chat with which attendees and the speakers use to chat with each other while they are watching the live stream, or watching the meeting, or watching a live meeting. So you can enable these two options. You can also enable this option, which ensure that if a question is asked, it should be approved by a moderator first before it goes to the speaker. And finally, you have the option to enable live polls, where people can participate in live polls, and the results would be displayed in real time. Apart from these settings, you can also enable additional options. For example, you can enable the survey form for this session, so people can submit feedback for the session at the end of the session. And you can also provide some offer some C credits. So once they check out, they would receive these C credits. uh, and you can also enable slides, which is right here. Slides need to be, you can either let the speakers upload the slides on their own and they would be displayed right here, or you can upload them on their behalf using this browse button. And finally you have the view poster button, which if you have the presentations, you can display this view poster button, so people can click on view poster to view the posters associated with those presentations. uh, yeah, so this is all it. And if you have apart from the session, if you have some presentations in this session, you can add them under this section here. So these presentations would be you can add. So the list you see here, they are coming from the list of accepted abstracts. So the abstracts which have been accepted are listed here, and you can select the ones that you want to include in this session, and they would then be automatically added along with the speakers associated with those presentations, like as you can see here in the speaker section. So and you can also include display the video if they have uploaded some kind of video along with their presentations. The videos will also be displayed to them, and so they can watch the presentations video, and then they can join the live meeting. So so this is how you can set up your live meeting sessions in Dryfta. And do not forget to save this session before you close the meeting, close the button, the editor. Thank you.